Okay, what we're doing today, we're gonna try out a new recipe. I designed this myself, so I'm not sure anyone have done it before, but this is the first time I do it. So this is my recipe. Okay, so you see somewhere else, I did not copy anyone. Okay, so I use SoapCalc here. So I'm using grams. So the first one is I use cold process. Okay, so this is cold process soap, 850, because that is my mold capacity. A bit more than that, but yeah. Water to lye ratio is 1.5 to 1. Super fat is 8. Fragrance, I'll leave it blank for now. Okay, the first oil we're gonna use palm oil. Okay, so palm oil. So I'm going by the largest amount to the lowest amount. Okay, so palm oil, okay, not palm kernel oil. Make sure you hear me right, okay? Palm oil. At percentage wise, I want 35%. So 35. Next one. Next one we have coconut oil. Coconut oil, 76%. At we want 30%. Okay. Next one we have rice bran oil. This rice bran oil is used as a replacement for olive oil, partial replacement of olive oil, okay? Not fully replaced. Rice bran oil, refined, okay? And we're using 25% of that one. And last one is olive oil. We still want to use some of that olive oil. And we're only using 10%, okay? So, can we right there? So we have palm oil, coconut oil, rice bran oil, olive oil. Take a screenshot of that, okay? Calculate, press on the print view recipe, and we'll give you the actual recipe, okay? Over here, so the water, how much lye, the super fat, the water to lye ratio, all that stuff, okay? And each of the oil in pounds, ounce, and grams. So doesn't matter where you're from, this recipe works everywhere for you, okay? As long as you know how to calculate, how to use SoapCalc.net, okay? I'll leave down a link below to this website as well, so you can play with it. Let's talk about the additive, okay? The fun part, okay? I'm gonna color my soap this time with indigo root powder. Okay, it's blue. I put 1 teaspoon of this into a 100 gram of distilled water. I'm not sure how I'm going to use this, okay? But as we go along, I'm going to share with you how I'm going to use that. Okay? Some people use it at trace. Some people use it in the lye solution. But we'll see, okay? And I'm going to use Kaolin Clay as well, mix into the oil, first, then I'm going to mix everything in. Essential oil, I'm going to use 4%, so I want to test out this recipe. Let me check. Yeah, I have enough here to do a 4% essential oil, lavender essential oil, okay, in this recipe. I've got to measure this out as well, but I'll do that later. I'll get back to you guys. So I might do a swirl as well in this recipe. So I'm not seeing how it goes, okay? So, but you got the recipe ready, play with it. The additive is optional. Then I'll come back to you guys to see how I'm going with the progress, okay?